Okay guys, what's up? As you know, this is my Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm working on a new project, well, along with all the other projects I have. So I'm gonna give my Jeep a little facelift. As you guys can see, got the SRT front, SRT side panels. Those are the fender ones. Down here we have the rear door and rear quarter panel. And here you go, got the bumper. As far as cost, it's this OEM stuff I had to get from junkyards and whatnot. The bumper did have this little crack that I'm gonna work to fix. As you guys can see, I'm gonna document, try to make a video of that. But it did come with the lights. It came with the grill. For all this, except the rear bumper, I'm down $1,080. Plus, I guess the travel time that I had to go, where I had to go get it. The bumper came out to be complete with the rear diffusers and all the lights and all the parking sensors. So realistically, I just have to paint it and it's like a plug and play. That was $700. So after fixing my Jeep, I already had the SRT wheels, Brembo package. I've done that conversion a long time ago. As soon as I got the Jeep, since you know I do tow with it, I tow my boat and everything, and I travel and I tow cars with it, so I needed the extra stopping power. I already do have the front grille. It's raining, but let me go and show you guys. I already do have the front grille, so I'm just gonna work on getting the paint and color matching all this and keep you guys posted.